Welcome back. Today it's me, Beto G. Today I'm going to be making Equatorial Guinea trap beat. Today I'm going into details. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. As you can see, I'm back in my studio. I'm going to be making Equatorial Guinea trap beat today. So, how to launch your FL Studio? When launch your FL Studio, make sure you put your cursor on top of your FL Studio. You right click on your mouse, then you click open. But for me, I have already launched my FL Studio, so I'm just going to enter my FL Studio app like this. I was working on a project. I'm going to click on my file and just click new, save changes, no. So we are starting afresh. That's it. As you can see, this is my mixer, this is my channel rack, this is my playlist. Good. We are starting our channel rack here. This is our channel rack here. While starting on your channel rack, make sure your mode should be in party mode, not song mode. Yeah, so this is our channel rack, this is our party mode. If I switch it to song mode, that means we are about arranging our beat here, and after arranging our beat we are playing it here. So I'll click on view channel rack, then turn it to party mode. This is my cursor on my screen. This is party mode, and this is our channel rack again. So I'm going to click on add. Then I'm going to pick this plugin today called Harmless. After that, this is our plugin. This is it. As you can see, it's a big plugin. After that, it has not been routed to any channel, so it's just empty. As you can see, I'm going to put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, turn my mouse wheel to channel 6. After that, it has been routed here. This is it on channel 6, which I can then mix it by clicking here and adding some plugin. So let's continue on our channel rack. This is it. I'll click here, then click on plugin options, click on presets. I'll be working on this one called brightness. Good. I'm working on this one called brightness. So I'll put my cursor here, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. I've opened my piano roll. Good. As you can see, I've programmed the first 2 bars pattern, so I just need to program the beat. Then after, I'm going to play it. So I'll click on my select here, put my cursor at the starting of 3, left click on my mouse, highlight it to the left. That is, just drag my mouse to the left, then press Control, which is the CTRL button. I'll just press it, then press B several times. Several times is many times to reach bar number 8, and this is number 8. So I'll click on view channel rack, click on add here, then click on 3 times aux, which is another plugin. After that, I'll just put my cursor like this, which is pointing up and down arrow. I will left click and hold it, then scroll the mouse wheels to channel 7. After that, I'll put my cursor on top of the plugin, right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. This is my piano roll. I have up my piano roll for my Equatorial Guinea trap beat, and then click on this draw here. Now these are the bass notes. I'll just arrange my beat before and then play it after. These are the bass melodies. These are the bass melodies. That's it. Very simple. Make sure you follow my channel. If you follow my channel, you are going to learn your beats, how to make your beats. Very simple. This is very simple, from 1 to 8. Make sure you use from 1 to 8 bars. That's okay. Make sure you use from 1 to 8 bars. Program it and let it sound good. Equatorial Guinea trap beat today. Now I'm click on view channel rack. This is our hi-hat. I will right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. I'll just program from 1 to 4 bars, then copy right to bars number 8. Voila. I'm programming my hi-hat now. Now I'll finish from 1 to 4. I'll put my cursor at the starting of 3. At the starting of 5, left click and hold it. Drag my mouse to the left, then press. You can say press Ctrl and A to highlight it the same way like this. Then I'm going to press Ctrl and B, right, to bars number 8. Now make sure you always use all the tools on top of your FL Studio. Know the functions. I'll click on this view channel rack to open my channel rack here. On number 4, I'll right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. I'll click on this draw here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Another bounce at the middle of 4 bars. Another bounce at the middle of 7 bar. Another bounce at the middle of 2 bars. That's okay. Very simple for new beginners. Follow the steps. You are going to learn how to make your beat the very day you start to follow my YouTube channel. The very day you know how to make your beat to the fullest. Now let's go. And our kick, I'm going to left click and hold it, drag it to channel 1. Right click on my mouse, then click piano roll. Now at 2, 1 kick. At 3, first of all, I already started at 1 with 1 kick. At 2, 3 kick. At 3, 2 kick. At 4, 1 kick. At 5, 3 kick. As you can see, the bars are subdivided. Let me just explain something here. At number 5 bars, it's subdivided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 bar is subdivided into 8 bars. 1 bar is subdivided into 8 bars. So when programming your kick, 1 bar you can still put 1 kick. So it's subdivided. At 1 bar, let's count the number of bars in 1 bar. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As you can see, 1 bar is subdivided into 8 bars. So let's continue. We are in 6 bars. At 6 bars, I'm putting 1 kick. At 7, I'm putting 2 kick. At 8, I'm putting 3 kick. That's okay. So I'll click on view channel rack, click on my kick, then click on this effect target, turn the boost knob right up to boost the gain 77%. That's okay. Now 6 and 7, I'm going to bring down the 6, which is my first melody, bring down the 7, which is my second melody. So let's start mixing the beats now. The Equatorial Guinea trap beat. Now I'm going to click on slot 1, then click on Fruity Soft Clipper. I'll click on slot 2, add the Fruity Limiter. I'll click on slot 3, add the Fruity Parametric EQ2. I'll click on slot 4 and add a frequency splitter. Make sure, take note of my plugins. These are the plugins you can use for new beginners. Take note of the plugin. This channel is very important. Now, very simple. Let's go to our 7. Which is the second melody. Slot 1. I'll click. Just click here. I'm going to click on the Fruity Parametric EQ2. You can tweak it. You can just tweak it. You can tweak it. That's it. Tweak it. On slot 2, I'm going to add a Fruity Soft Clipper. On slot 3, I'll click. I'm going to add this one called Maximus. That's okay. Now on 3, which is our hi-hat, this is our mixer. We are mixing our beat now. On 3, I'll turn up my 3, which is my hi-hat. Click on slot 1, then click Sound Goodnizer. I'll click on slot 2, then add a Fruity Soft Clipper. That's okay. On 4, which is our snare, I'll turn it up. I'll click on slot 1 and add a Fruity Soft Clipper. Then turn it a little bit down. That's okay. Then I'm going to turn up my kick right up. Then to the master, I'll turn up my kick, add the volume of my kick. use these tools. Now I'll click on this view playlist. This is our playlist. Now we are about to arrange everything we have programmed. So part 1, I'll put my cursor on top of my part 1, right click on my mouse, and then click split by channel. As you can see, everything I've programmed today has appeared on the top left corner of my FS Studio this here. As my mouse is pointing, this is it. So I'm going to click on this draw again, click on my kick, click back like this, click on my hi-hat, just click on my snare, just click on my first melody, click back in my playlist. Make sure it align. One should not be in front, one should not be behind. I'm going to click on my last melody, then just click back. It's aligning. Make sure you check. As you can see at the ending, it's aligning. One should not shift a little bit. Let everything be in line. So I'll click on my select at the starting of 9. I'll left click and hold it, drag my mouse to the left, not to the right. You can see press Ctrl and A to highlight it the same way, but my way is very important. So I'll just click the control button, which is the CTRL button. I'll press it, press B several times to extend my beat. Now since it's like this, you can't see the clear view. Another way to see the clear view, I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, drag it to the left, let it end here. Then I'll put my mouse like this at the showing the left and right arrow. I'll left click and hold it, drag it to the right to see the clear view. Now I'll click on my draw, put my cursor on top of the kick, right click to remove the kick, put my cursor on top of the hi-hat, right click to move the hi-hat, put my cursor on top of the snare, right click to move the snare. Then I'll click on my select, put my cursor here, left click and hold it, turn it to the left, then press Ctrl and B to extend it. After that, you can see the clear view. I'll put my cursor like this, left click and hold it, drag it behind, let it end here. After that, I'll put my cursor like this at the showing left and right arrow. I will left click and hold it, drag it to the right to see the clear view. After that, I'll click on my draw, click on my first melody, which is brightness, then click here to add my outro. I'll click on my last melody here, then click here to my outro. Then after that, we are going to arrange our melody now. I'll put my cursor like this, I'll right click on my mouse to remove the hi-hat, I'll put my cursor on top of the snare, right click to move the snare. I'll click on my mixer again, 3 which is my hi-hat. I will right click, then click create automation clip. The function is to control the volume automatically. On channel 4, I will right click, then click create automation clip. This function is to control the volume automatically again. I'll click on my view playlist. This is it. Now I'm going to put my cursor here on top of where we lastly put our cursor on top of the part 1. So I'm just going to left click, turn it a little bit up to see everything we have already programmed. So I'm just going to click on my hi-hat, just put it here, then put my cursor at the showing left and right. I'll left click and hold it, then just reduce it a little bit, then click here. We are spicing the beat. At the starting of our outro, I'll click here again, so we are spicing the beat. Now let's play the Equatorial Guinea trap beat from the start to the end, and see you tomorrow. Press the subscribe button on your screen so that anytime I drop my new videos, you will get notified immediately. Now let's go. First of all, you are going to turn it song mode because it is in pattern mode. So I'm just going to click here on song mode. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. I've already finished making the Equatorial Guinea trap beat. See you tomorrow. I've already finished. Goodbye.